Hello guys, today's game is brought to you by Verizon. We'll take it. Shut up, you bitch. Thanks for your
Shooters want an area. Right now, that area is the slot. It's open to be exploited. To me, one of the hardest things to defend against is what these guys are doing. Really creative, effective passing plays. Chance from inside. Kick save and a good scoring opportunity to Wingles. To McLaren. Good return pass. Off the boards. That puck is loose after that shot. Gets it along the point. He was in the right place, right time. That'll be a blocked shot. Save made. The Sound Tigers and the rush in this game have found some scoring chances. Runs on the slot area, but they've got to find a way now to move ahead. Well, they've tried up, Gary, and that's why I think they just have to get any shot they can on goal and drive for rebounds. There's a pass up. Nice. That'll go to the point. Chance.
Yes, that's mine. What didn't even say it? Oh, wait a second.
This is a continuing part of his game. Yeah, putting up numbers like this, to me, qualifies him right away as an unsung hero on his team. 2-on-2 in the rush.
Yes.
Sullivan's interception, that's a good one. That is great anticipation. Heisen. Good luck save on the deflection. That's an opportunity. Never got that puck out of the zone. Good play to keep control of that in the offensive end. Good shot. Great leg save.
Oh, that was so close.
Those two really collided. Oh, what a shot. He's got it on the stick. He's out in front of the breakaway. Oh, what a chance. He missed. Quick shot. Outside on the slot. That's save. As we look, Bill, they're going to be short on the bench here. Could be an upper body injury. He's heading down the tunnel to the dressing room. We'll see.
Not the people that are watching, like the people that
Hunter
tripped
moves
it.
in to pick up that puck. Good tie-up in the face-off.
The person that hurt him.
Controls at the point. Pushing it along the wall. That's how you break up offensive flow. Good coaching. Good move with a goaltender using that leg. That is not going to count as a shot on net. Well, from there
You
you
get the
can generate a
rebounds.
shot on goal because you've got guys crashing for the rebound.
Oh, crap.
To Traveler. Yes, the blow.
Ooh, what a save.
Puck control here on the point. Puts that one away. Able to pick that puck up and able to control it. Puck
What? I didn't even go outside.
outside.
My puck
The
did.
Sharks heading for the end of this second period. A whole different team than the way they started. Without a doubt. Now they are intimidating. In the first period, it looked like they were going to get run out of the building. We're late here in this second period. Worcester's goal came way back in the first period, a 1-0 lead to Davis. That shot goes through some people. Keep that thing in the offensive zone. He did. That's the shot. Great positioning with the goaltender. One-timer.
That was always missing my hand.
Good chance in tight. The goal performance right there. That could be a turning point in this game. No question. The spotlight was burning a hole in his crease, and he was able to take the heat. Off that face-off, tied up the D, and the puck's picked up by his winger. What a heavy chance. If anybody can get one late here in the second period. J2's battling in front of the net. He scores!
Yeah, we might lose this game.
Oh, what a nice deflection. The goalie on a play like this just has to hope the puck hits him.
He sticks above the goal.
The Sharks' goal comes because they have done what they needed to do with the puck. Yeah, without question, they're having their way with puck possession time. As a result, they're
Dude, it's always you.
Ah!
Two teams putting on a good show.
If you're happy and you know, then you really want to show it, kick someone in the
At the
head.
end of two. Let's take a look at the highlights of this period.
This highlight reel is brought to you by Honda. But American cars are much better than these stupid ones.